What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a free cloud-based storage service that enables users to store and access files online. Google Drive integrates with the company's other services and systems, including Google Docs, Gmail, Android, Chrome, YouTube, Google Analytics, and Google+. How Google Drive works. My Drive will automatically appear, which can contain uploaded or synced files and folders, as well as Google Sheets, Slides, and Docs. Alternatively, the end user can download a Google Drive application to one or more devices. What are Docs, Slides, and Sheets? Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets make up Google Drive's Office suite. Each application in the suite enables users to create and edit documents, presentations, and spreadsheets that they can store in Google Drive. Google Drive Desktop, Web and Mobile Apps. Previously, Google Drive had desktop apps for Windows and macOS, but support for those ends in May 2018. Google Drive's mobile apps for iOS and Android allow users to store, share, and view files. Major features of Google Drive. Google Drive integrates with several first-party and third-party external web applications that users can add from the Chrome Web Store. The Quick Access feature for the Android, iOS, and web apps uses machine learning to predict files that users need based on their Drive activity and workday patterns. Pricing and storage tiers. Users that pay annually can receive a discount on the 100 GB and 1 TB plans. If users cancel a subscription or let it expire, they will go back to the free 15 GB storage tier. Consumer versus enterprise use. Google Drive for Work, the enterprise version of Google Drive, was released in June 2014 as a part of G Suite. Google Drive for Work complies with the security standard ISO/IEC 27018-2014. Security. Google Drive data is encrypted with the Transport Layer Security (TLS) standard before it leaves a user's device and uploads to Google's cloud. Google Drive supports two-factor authentication, but it is not Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA) compliant.